Hello, welcome to another tutorial from Craft Solutions Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss about Clipboard on Windows 10 device and what's the use of Clipboard and how it works and how it is useful for you as a Windows 10 user. Before we start this tutorial, if you never subscribe my channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the notifications of our future videos. Let's dive into our topic. The clipboard is a space where all the copied items on your computer is stored temporarily. I would like to copy some text from my website and paste it into a notepad. So let's copy, let's select the text, Ctrl C, and then open the notepad and paste it. So the next paragraph comes here. So I'm going to copy second one and paste it underneath. And you know that I have copied two different text contents, and if I keep pressing Ctrl V, I get only the content I have copied last time. So this is the content which is available right now on your clipboard for you to access. The last thing you have copied, whether it's a text string or an image or a file, it will work like that. But if you have a clear understanding of your clipboard, you will be able to access the history of your copied files. We will be able to reuse the copied files on your system. In order to do that, let's open up your clipboard. To open up your clipboard, click the Windows key and V together. So now you can see your clipboard has been opened. It says can't show the history. So if you turn on the history of this clipboard, it keeps the history of your copied items, so you will be able to reuse it. So I'm going to turn it on by clicking turn on, and now you can see that the last thing I have copied is still there. And I'm going to copy some more items from here, say from this part. I have copied this part. I'm going to copy this. If I open the clipboard again, I can see that there are two entries. Like this, you can have 24 entries which can be kept in the history of a clipboard. The last thing I have copied is this paragraph here. So I'm going to paste it right here. So I'm going to clear this entire text right now for your reference. So I'm going to paste the last paragraph I have copied. Okay, so now is the magic. Now you can go back and check your history on the clipboard, and you can even access the items you have copied before this text and paste it here. So I'm going to open my clipboard here, then select my text. Okay, select my text, say it got copied right here. So it makes your life easier. If you want to turn off your clipboard history, what you can do is you can go to your computer settings, go to systems and find the clipboard here and turn off your history. Similarly, if you're using Microsoft Word, there is a clipboard associated with Microsoft Word. Let's open a Word document, and on the left hand side you can see an item called clipboard. If you click on that, you can see that all the text I have copied so far is there on that clipboard at my disposal. If I copy an image, see I have a screenshot image here, so I'm going to copy it. The same will be saved on the clipboard as well. So it's not actually connected to the clipboard of Windows 10. Microsoft Word is keeping its own clipboard, and its history is always on. So keep that in mind as well. So now I believe now you have understood the concept of clipboard and its use in daily life. If you like this video and if you think it was very useful for you, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.